This is the 2019 Range Rover Velar SE with the R Dynamic upgrade. So what you're getting with that, you're getting an upgraded, more aggressive front bumper, upgraded wheels, and these particular ones have the black satin finish. Aside from that, we've got the 360-degree park sensor. We'll let you know how close you are to an obstacle. We've got the front LED headlights with the headlamp washers, front fog lights, rear fog lights as well. At the back of the 2019 Range Rover Velar, we've got the taillights, which are full LED. We've got kind of a unique feature. The backup camera has got its own power washer, so if it does become obstructed, you don't even need to exit your vehicle to clean it off. You can do it straight from the driver's seat. This one also has the rear spoiler, which kind of conceals your back windshield wiper. That way your view, you've got a much clearer view of what's behind you. It's not as obstructed. And then we've also got the power gesture tailgate as well, which you can open and close by using your foot. On the outside of the 2019 Velar, the door handles, after you lock it, using passive entry, you don't actually need to use the key or have it in your hand. Press the button, they will retract. Their flush door handles. Side mirrors also will fold once the vehicle is locked. On the inside of the 2019 Range Rover Velar, you can see that we've got two large infotainment screens. This one handles most of your media on the top. A lot of the car controls are handled down on the bottom, so your climate. The front, you've got heated and cooled seats. The vehicle mode settings are also handled from the lower screen. This particular vehicle is also equipped with the park assist features, so the vehicle can parallel park itself as well as adaptive cruise. You've got the fully digital driver display as well as the capacitive touch digital buttons that are on the steering wheel. The rear of the 2019 Range Rover Velar, you can see from the speaker grille here, this one's got an upgraded sound system. One of the nicest features as well is you've got the rear left and right seat are heated. You've got your air conditioning control here, as well as the large panoramic sunroof, which does open as well.